Assalamu alaikum. I came back with another informative video. I will explain in this video how to download and install Filmora9 Crack with new method. For free lifetime activation, I create a video before that too. One of my channel viewer had trouble installing. I have created another video on the installation of Filmora9 Crack for her and other viewers. So please subscribe to my channel and share with other people. So let's get started. If Filmora is already installed on your PC, so uninstall it first. Click on uninstall or change a program and uninstall it. Okay. I have uninstalled Filmora from my PC and also uninstall Helper Compact. And close it. I have shared Crack Filmora with you. It is a new method. This method will definitely work and Filmora Pro will be activated. I have included the setup link in description. You can download from there. There is a file named AR Full Crack Software. It is a 7-zip file. You can download 7-zip extracted from 7zip.org to extract it. After extraction, open AR Full Crack Software folder and then open Setup Fill folder. As you can see, here is the setup of Filmora. It is only work on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 64-bit. Click on the Filmora setup. Select your desired language. Click on I have read and accept the agreement. Click on next. Select the installation folder as you wish. Whether select program files folder in the C drive or choose any drive. I am choosing D drive. Because of the space on my PC. Now run Filmora on your PC. Click OK. Continue. Okay. When Filmora opens, it has to be closed after 1 minute. I have closed the Filmora. Refresh your PC. Open Task Manager. Click on Details. Right click on WS helper.exe and end this task. End process. Close it. Now open AR Full Crack Software folder. Open the Crack folder. There are 2 DLL files in it. Copy both files. On desktop, right click on Wondareshare Filmora9 and open file location. Paste both DLL files in it and close it. Now run the Wondershare Filmora 9. Okay, continue. Okay, Filmora has opened. Now click on Help menu, then click on Offline Activation. It is pre-active software. If you want to activate Filmora with manual method, then read this first file. Copy and paste serial keys from it. You can see this Wondershare Filmora 9 is activated, and the option of add license email and registration code is gone. Filmora 9 is now active in my PC. I hope every one of my videos helpful for you, so please subscribe AR Design Informist and share with other people, because sharing is caring. See you in the next informative video. Allah Hafiz.